I'm Dr. Rajlashmi Naik here again with you for 21 days, 21 challenges. With today's challenge, previous challenges also you have to continue. Today is day 6 of our program and many of you might be thinking that so simple challenges I am giving. But believe me, after 21 days, you will feel the impact of these things. You will feel the difference within you. You will change inside out. And one thing I want to ask you, how many of you were doing all these things prior to accepting these challenges? Well, let that be. Today's challenge is the most difficult challenge what I feel for nowadays. Just have a look at it. No technology gadgets 30 minutes before sleeping. That means 30 minutes before sleeping you have to keep your mobile phone away from you. So much far away that it will beyond your reach. There won't be any mobile, no on TVs, no other gadgets. Then what to do? We are so used to with these technological things. Either TV you want or otherwise you want mobiles. You want to read, you have to see the YouTubes or you have to be any social sites till you feel asleep. But what happens exactly? That whenever you are on mobile or you are on television, if you are on television you keep on changing the channels and go on searching the things, and definitely you get hooked up with the unwanted things only. For now the news or otherwise some fighting or something like that, or otherwise you get hooked up with the social medias or WhatsApp or anything else, chatting and whatever that may be, or else many web series. Many things are there to distract you, and you get indulged in that one after another, one after another. Just, I will see this, I will watch this for half an hour, and then I'll switch it off, and then I'll sleep. Then again, to be continued for the next episode. Or if you are on WhatsApp, then suddenly some message pop up and you start chatting with the person, and then once again suddenly some more messages appears and you keep busy on asking them or chatting with them. So definitely your screen time increases and your sleeping pattern will get changed. That means if you are supposed to sleep by 10 o'clock at night, then till 12:30, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, might be 4:30, 4 o'clock, you will be awakening, watching the web series or on the social medias. And then what about the sleep? You will not get a proper 7 hour sleeps in this case. And if this happens, definitely it will affect your health and your overall performance. Besides that, the blue light coming out of these gadgets are harmful and it will distract your brain powers. So your brain energies get lower and lower down, and the patterns inside the brain waves also changes. It will affect your sleep quality also. So if even if you sleep at 10 o'clock and before that for half an hour you are watching any TV program or any web series, or you are on WhatsApp or whatever gadgets might be, but your sleep will be distracted, your sleep will be not a continuous sleep you will get in that case. And that is why in the morning when you wake up you doesn't feel that I'm very fresh, you feel that I should sleep for some more time, right? So of course the time is up, there is particular time for sleeping. So in the morning by 7 o'clock if you have to wake up, then you have to wake up at that time because the next things are ready with you, next steps you have to complete within the time. That may be the office work, maybe another work, or maybe the school work, maybe the college work, whatever that may be, or maybe attending the meetings, or maybe doing the household work, whatever that may be. But you have to continue with that. And then what about the sleep? Of course, you will remain sleepy throughout the day. And this will definitely affect your productivity, your overall performance, and your health also. Okay, so blood pressure problem, heart problem, muscle cramps, distractiveness, depression, and much more. Many health problems occurs due to that. So just simply by keeping away gadgets 30 minutes before sleeping will help you in this. Now what to do for these 30 minutes? Okay, you said keep the gadgets away. But what should we do in that case? Because suddenly to keep the gadgets and just sit like this is too tough. Simple ways, simple different techniques I'm telling you. See, one thing you can read any book. Second thing you can give some family time. Third thing you can take a nice walk for 10 minutes or so and then keep quietly, keep quiet and sit at one place. Take a foot bath or take a bath. Okay, or drink, sip water. Okay, you might have not tested water, so just try to test it very slowly, or do meditation, or simply go to bed, lie down, close your eyes, and keep counting the numbers. You will fall asleep very soon. For further challenges, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. For more surprises, have a look on description box. See you tomorrow.